Nestled on the southwestern tip of Nova Scotia, Yarmouth's story begins in the 18th century, when Acadian settlers established a vibrant fishing community. The town quickly grew as a hub for shipbuilding and trade, its harbor bustling with vessels from around the world. Yarmouth played a crucial role in the Age of Sail, producing some of the finest ships that sailed the high seas. The waterfront teemed with activity, as shipbuilders crafted majestic vessels that would embark on daring journeys across the Atlantic. As the 19th century unfolded, Yarmouth became synonymous with the lobster canning industry. Its shores echoed with the sounds of bustling canneries, a testament to the town's economic prowess and the abundance of the sea. Fast forward to the 20th century, where Yarmouth's cultural identity flourished. The town's rich maritime heritage was celebrated with events like the Yarmouth Clam Festival, a lively gathering that showcased the community's deep connection to the ocean. Today, Yarmouth stands as a captivating blend of past and present. Its historic architecture, including the iconic Cape Fortune lighthouse, serves as a reminder of the town's seafaring legacy. Visitors can explore the Yarmouth County Museum and Archives, delving into the captivating stories of the town's resilient people. From its humble beginnings as a fishing village to a bustling maritime center, Yarmouth has weathered the tides of time. Its history, intricately woven into the fabric of Canada's maritime tapestry, continues to captivate those who walk its charming streets. 3 things to do in Yarmouth. Stroll through Yarmouth, Nova Scotia. Begin at the historic waterfront, where 18th century charm meets the modern-day hustle. Wander through picturesque streets lined with well-preserved Victorian architecture. The Cape Fortune lighthouse stands as a timeless sentinel. Its distinctive octagonal tower, painted in bold red and white stripes, cuts a striking figure against the Atlantic backdrop. Built in 1839, this iconic beacon has guided mariners through treacherous waters for generations. Today, visitors can explore the grounds, witness breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline, and feel the maritime spirit that has endured for centuries. Yarmouth's Sea Fest, a vibrant celebration of coastal culture. This annual event features lively parades, seafood galore, from boat races to live music. Seafest immerses visitors in the lively spirit of Yarmouth's rich maritime heritage.